Alright, so quick review lang tayo ng Hotel Monticello sa Silang or Tagaytay. Not really sure. So, ano pa to? Itong November 2024. So, ito yung view ng lobby nila. So, medyo late na kasi sobrang busy ng December. But yeah, here it is. So, meron silang swimming pool and gym dito sa area na to. Pero kasi lamig-lamig na eh. Ewan ko lang kung makapag-swimming kayo, diba? Pero, ayan, available naman yung amenities na yan. So, malaki yung area ng hotel, tsaka maraming greenery. Okay. So, bago tayo pumunta sa room, ano muna natin yung buffet. May breakfast buffet sila every weekend. So, medyo limited lang yung options, but the food tastes great, no? Yung fruits fresh and everything, masarap naman siya overall. Ayan, so, sample. Tapos ito na, pasok na tayo sa room. So we book a quad room, so parang 4 single beds. So perfect siya for group of friends and family, no? Family of 4. So hindi naman siya ganun expensive if you wanna go over and book this type of room. Very spacious, magkaiwalay yung toilet and shower, kaya pwedeng sabay. Ayan, maluwag siya, maluwag yung area nung mismong room. Ayan, so 4 single beds, no? Tapos meron din namang view outside, ayan, kung makikita nyo. So overall, maganda yung experience namin. Actually, tomorrow we'll be back kasi parang may bago na kaming go to staycation place in Tagaytay. Isa sa Tagaytay Silang area. So yan, may desk din and really big ample room naman siya for 4 people. Masarap din yung food nila. May menu sa yung room service nila. So ayun, kung gusto nyo i-try, just check it out. Thank you.